Good morning. This is Dr. Chris Ebert Santos at Ebert Family Clinic. Halloween is a time when we think of scary things, but nothing scarier than the COVID epidemic, with increasing numbers of sick people and losing loved ones. Puts a lot of stress on our children, our families, ourselves. Ebert Family Clinic is starting a new effort to increase access to mental health services. We have expanded our screening in the office for anxiety and depression in both adults and children. We're adding a mental health provider, Abby Ferguson, in December, who will be in the office and available. I would like to read the announcement that came out this week from the American Academy of Pediatrics. As a pediatrician, I know that children don't always know how to express their true feelings, and they may even try to protect their parents from added worries rather than share when something is wrong, said AAP President Sally Goza. This is one reason we want to see your children and teens during office visits, not just to stay up to date on immunizations, but to check on their social and emotional health too. Every day we hear about this anxiety and stress that our families are experiencing. Yesterday we had a 14-year-old boy who was very concerned about his grandfather who lived 45 minutes away. They couldn't visit as often as they used to. And also, children express that they don't want to share their concerns with parents because they don't want to worry their parents. So we are all working together to keep you healthy physically and mentally. And today we're going to visit with each of our staff to hear what they are doing or what they recommend to help us stay healthy emotionally during this stressful time.
Okay, so another big component of mental health is making sure that you have enough resources such as food, transportation, even financial support, and we would just suggest using your resources like the FERC or Building Hope are great resources in our community, and you can also go to summitcounty.gov and there's a list of all the calendars and resources for food pantries and stuff like that.
Alentemos a los niños y adolescentes a explorar su creatividad, pasiones y fortalezas para ayudar a otros, ofrecerse como voluntarios y contribuir a su comunidad.
Parent and caregivers should explain to children and adolescents that screen time has its benefits as well as its risks.
Hi, this is Tara Taylor. I'm one of the nurse practitioners at Ebert Family Clinic. I wanted to speak out in the time of COVID to help support our children and our parents. I think it's important for parents to feel as if they can speak to their children about mental health. This is a time in which avoiding those type of conversations can be detrimental. So I think it would be important to have open and honest conversations with your children about how they're feeling, their anxiety or need depression or stressors related to COVID-19 right now, and trying to adapt and taking online classes, being away from their friends and things of that nature so that they can be referred for additional support that's needed. I think also really good self-care is important, such as yoga, eating correctly, taking in a healthy diet, as well as getting enough sleep and drinking enough water every day. So as long as we can keep our kids doing the activities that they are able to do, that they love, that they feel that they can reach out to their parents about any mental health issues that they're having, and to open up that line of communication and just good self-care. So if you need anything, let us know at the Ebert Family Clinic, and we'd be happy to direct you to the right services. We are connected with the FERC and Building Hope and lots of other resources in the community that can help through this time. Talk to you guys soon.
Now that you have some ideas from the Ebert Family Clinic staff, we will also be having interviews in the upcoming weeks with new mental health providers in our community that are providing services both for special needs children like autism, occupational therapy, as well as mental health and stress relief. So look forward to more videos with more providers that are there for us during this stressful time. This is Cress Ebert Santos at Ebert Family Clinic, and also I would like you to take a look at our blog, highaltitudehealth.com, for more ways to stay healthy in our high altitude environment.